Humans marvel at the birds because they are free, because they can fly, and with just a few strokes of their wings, they can soar over the earth and around the world. Yet we birds are jealous of humans, whose spirit is free, who can paint and draw, who can laugh and sing, who can create, who know how to enjoy life with all their senses, who observe, taste and feel, who make history, who make incredible things from the simplest materials, dream like neighborhoods, unforgettable flavors, music that moves you, works of art that inspire and excite you.